would not date an Indian. British. Jamaican. Not attractive for me.
Which nationality has the biggest ego when dating here?
For me, I would like to try an Australian.
What is your name and how old are you?
My name is Shine. I'm in my 30s.
Okay. Ma'am, what nationality would you never date no matter how rich or attractive he is?
Maybe an Indian.
May we know why?
I just don't see myself being with them.
Okay. Which nationality do you think has the worst attitude toward Filipinas?
As of now, maybe none. I don't think so that they don't like a Filipina.
No, has the worst attitude towards Filipinas.
I have no idea.
If your sister dated someone from your no nationality, how would you react?
I will just respect her. Besides, it's her decision.
Okay. If you had to choose your ideal foreign boyfriend, where would he be from?
For me, I would like to try an Australian or an American.
Okay. From Australia or from the United States of America. So we asked a few Filipinos earlier, ma'am, and then they all said Indians, just like you. You know, from the first question, like which nationality would they never date, even though he's rich or he look good. Can we go deeper from it? Like we really want to know the reason why.
Maybe for me, I just don't see myself being with them. And I don't see myself eating the same food or the aroma. I don't know, but that is just for my own opinion.
Okay. Do you think the majority of Filipinos are just like what you said, that they don't want the culture, like the food, you know, those?
Maybe.
You're in your 30s. Are you single, mom, or do you have a boyfriend? What?
Single
How long have you been single?
for a month.
For a month. Do you have kids?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. You're working, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Is it okay to know what is your job? If it's okay.
Uh, I'm in an education. Actually, nurse by profession, teacher by vocation.
What is your name and how old are you?
I am Kirsley and I am currently 19 years old.
Okay, so the very first question is, what nationality would you never date no matter how rich or attractive he is?
Um, for me, I would not date an Indian.
Indians. Okay, now which nationality do you think has the worst attitude toward Filipinas?
Um, I think I think China.
Chinese.
Chinese.
Okay, Chinese. Next, which nationality has the biggest ego when dating here?
U.S.
Americans. Okay, USA is a country, so Americans.
Yes.
Okay. If your sister dated someone from your no nationality, how would you react?
I think I would tell her not to date that boy.
Why?
Um,
Because you don't like his nationality?
pero I would still um I would still check if the boy has a good personality.
So if he has a good personality, you would consider him for your sister.
He still need to ask permission to my parents and to me.
Okay. If you had to choose your ideal foreign boyfriend, where would he be from?
Mm, if I would choose from ano yun? Switzerland because I want to live there.
Okay. You're 19, still in college, right? You're studying at Ateneo. What are you studying, Be?
I'm studying BS Psychology.
What is your name and how old are you?
Joanna, and I'm 25 years old.
Joanna, what nationality would you never date no matter how rich or attractive he is?
Jamaican.
Why Jamaican?
No, it's not my type.
Which nationality do you think has the worst attitude towards Filipinas?
Um, American. Oh, I don't know.
You don't know.
Pero po,
No. You said American first.
yes po.
Okay. Why American?
I think lang.
Okay. That's only your guess.
Yes.
Okay. Which nationality has the biggest ego when dating here?
I think Chinese po.
If your sister dated someone from your no nationality, how would you react?
Um,
How would you react? How would you react if your sister is dating a Jamaican, let's say?
think I can approve that po.
Why?
I mean, it's not my ano po. I don't know.
Because it's not your type, but it's for your sister.
Yes po. And I don't like
So because you don't like Jamaican, you also don't like that for your sister?
yes po.
Okay. Okay. Next, if you had to choose your ideal foreign boyfriend, where would he be from?
Canada or Italy?
You're 25, still studying?
No.
Oh, so you're working. May we know what is your job?
Cashier and samgyeopsal po.
Okay. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
Single po.
How long have you been single?
1 year, 2 years po.
What is your name and how old are you?
Angel, 26.
Ma'am Angel, what nationality would you never date no matter how rich or attractive he is?
Indian.
May I know why? Why not Indian?
I don't know. I'm not at, for me, it's not, not attractive for me. That's all. Okay.
Which nationality do you think has the worst attitude toward Filipinas?
Australia, not sure.
Why Australian?
Not sure. That's what I thought lang.
Which nationality has the biggest ego when dating here?
Um, oh my God. I'm so sorry. I think
Nationality who has the biggest ego when dating here?
British.
British. Okay. If your sister dated someone from your no nationality, how would you react?
I'm sorry. Can you?
Okay. If your sister dated someone from your no nationality, how would you react?
You mean if ever my sister will date an Indian? First, I think I would not accept it since I'm not into Indians. But I don't know if she loves the person. I guess I'll accept it.
Last one. If you had to choose your ideal foreign boyfriend, where would he be from?
Korean.
Korea. Okay. You're 26. You're working, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. May we know what is your job, if it's okay?
Actually, front office for hotel, front office department. Yeah.
Okay, I'll see.
FOA.
Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much, ma'am. We really appreciate your honesty and your time. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hope hopefully we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member, where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.